Hey guys, it's Monday, July the 3rd. Hope everybody had a good weekend. I won't be doing a video tomorrow, July 4th, because the market is closed here in the U.S. Even though the Forex currency still be trading, there's just not going to be any volume or anything, so not a whole lot of movement. So I won't have another video until Wednesday. So we'll go ahead and start with the pound dollar from last week, where there was a buy and made a really good run up and has retraced about half of that and has run back up again a little bit. I would think it's going to take out that candle right out there. Not sure how much further that's going to go, but it still looks like that's a buy for now on the 1 hour. And then the 4 hour is still in a sell. It's just done retracing. I would think this candle is going to be retraced some. I'm looking for the pound dollar to come up to here, somewhere in here, to fill in most of that candle, or if not all of it. That's on the 4 hour, so it's still, I think it's still in a buy. If it comes down here and takes this out, then it's the sale is continuing for the 4 hour. But I think in the short term, with the 1 hour having a buy still, and this could still do a retracement and still be considered a sell. It just should be selling it from up in here. So that's on the pound dollar, and we got, what else? Aussie dollar, 1 hour is still in a buy. There's no sell that's showed up just yet, but we're going to look at where the retracement was. Oh, it's still a good ways back on the sale, so the 4 hours is probably going to tell us better. Okay, now both of those in agreement on the buys, the 1 hour and the 4 hour in the Aussie. So we're going to look for a retracement area. If this turns up, probably somewhere into here. Yeah, somewhere in the right end. Actually, maybe even coming back up here, close to that. Kind of fill in that candle, be close to the pivot. So the Aussie, but looks like a buy for now. Whereas the stop is right there. That candle, lower that candle. If you're already in it. Which, let's see. I think I'm already in that one. Yes. And that from Friday. So, of course, this is just y'all. You're able to trade at your own risk. Everybody has a different risk. So you can say, too many people say, well, how much should I risk? Well, your account size will depend on that. If you got a small account, then you got to have a small risk. But you need to keep it even with a large account. You know, I wouldn't risk more than 2-3% of whatever your account is that would risk that. I might not even do that. That's just me, though. Everybody's different. So that was Aussie dollar. So we're going to Euro CAD. 1 hour. And it doesn't look like it's in a buy. There's the sell. There was a sell right there, and it came back into it. There was your chance to sell. That was the real sell right there. If you got in right there, you got a little bit. Not a whole lot. If you happen to get that right there, where it went down, took that out, and then came down some more, then you were okay. But then when it came back up here, that was really your opportunity, because then it really sold off. So, and let's come back. It's still in a sell on the 1 hour. The 4 hour is still a sell. I just had a retracement, which it could retrace some of this candle right in here. And then that would be our sell opportunity up in here. Low risk, that's what you want, a low risk sell. So both of those are in agreement on the sell, the 1 hour and the 4 hour on the Euro CAD. CAD yen is going sideways a lot. We'll see where the sell was. Okay, there it was. See, there's your 1 hour sell. If you didn't get that, there was a poke up right there. That was the big move right there. That was the low risk trade down to here. Then it's retraced back up again where you could sell, and it's sold back off a good bit, and now it's back up there again. So now that's too many times up there now. So you got to question whether this is actually going to go lower, because if it takes that resistance out right up in here, then chances are we're going higher, not lower. If it goes down here and takes this out, good chances are that we're going lower than those. So that would be a sell on the 4 hour. This is what we look like. Oh, I forgot to put that in there. 4 hours still in the sell. If you didn't get down that, and when it poked up here, there was your opportunities. There's 3 chances here to go short on the 4 hour. Just hadn't really gone anywhere yet. So I was questioning whether there's still a little bit more of an up move yet on this, because it's got to take these out to go lower. That's on the CAD yen. Odd yen 1 hour has made a 1 hour sell signal. You had a couple of opportunities there to get in short, low risk trade. If it takes that out, it's going higher. The 4 hour has not made a buy. There's the sell, still in sell mode. Retrace, retrace, retrace. So it could still move up some more, up into here, and still be a sell, but that's not, the risk to reward is not that great for there to there. So keep an eye out for the sell. That's on the odd yen. The pound odd has made a buy. Just hadn't come down. I'd like for it to come down here to be able to get in. That's the best it's comes. I'm hoping it's going to push down during Asian session, get the buy opportunity, and then swing up. That's on the 1 hour. The 4 hour is in sell, so those are not in agreement. 1 hour's got a buy, the 4 hour's got a sell. So the 1 hour buy could be just short-lived. Pound CAD, 1 hour is in a sell. If you didn't get in there, there was your chance to get in there. It just hasn't gone anywhere just yet. That's on the 1 hour. Pound CAD, sorry. And it is still a sell on the 4 hour. So 1 hour and 4 hour are in agreement on the sell. So there could still be just a little push up before the sell comes on the pound CAD. The pound yen 1 hour is in a sell. The risk reward right there would have been good, right there, right there, right there. But now you've got too many that has come through there. So that kind of weakens the chance that there's going to be a downfall. That it could be another push up higher. And that probably won't come until Wednesday, where the U.S. stock market is still open. But we'll have to see on that. On 1 hour there's a sell. On the 4 hour there's also a sell. So both of those in agreement. But you've got a lot of wicks poked up into here. Shouldn't be that many. So be careful on the pound yen, because that could, like I said, that could take that out and be a buy. The sell, you had a couple opportunities. It has not gone anywhere. So that was on the pound yen. So the euro New Zealand is at a buy, 1 hour buy. I would like to see it come down a little bit more to get the buy. The 4 hour is still in the sales, but look how this has gone down. There could be a retracement coming up where it comes back up into here before the sell-off comes. That's on the euro New Zealand, because the 1 hour's got a buy, the 4 hour's still in sell, but there could be an opportunity with the sell-off that be a little push up before it heads back down. I have to keep an eye on the euro New Zealand. The pound New Zealand, it's still in sell mode on the 1 hour. 4 hours probably agreed with that. Yes, it has. So both of those are 1 hour and 4 hour sales on the pound New Zealand. New Zealand yen has now made a sell signal on the 1 hour. So if you wanted to get in there, that's your stop that high. And see what happens from there. That's on the 1 hour New Zealand yen sell. The 4 hour is making, it's got 7 more minutes, or 6, yeah, 6 more minutes before that finishes. So that's probably going to be a sell on the 4 hour as well. So those will be in agreement on the New Zealand yen. And the euro yen 1 hour is not really going. There's no buy. There's a sell. Let's see if you didn't get that one. It didn't go too far. Retrace back up. You had a chance to get in. Chance to get in. There was the big sale right there. Chance to get in. Sale. This didn't go as far. Chance to. So there's too many chances here. It's telling me there's a chance. This is going higher. At least on the 1 hour. The 4 hour is still in a sell mode. So again, you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 poke ups here, which is way too many, because the sale is not moving. So if you want to get in for a sale, I mean, you got a low risk trade there. If you're wrong, you're not going to lose hardly anything. I mean, because the high right here is actually, this is the high we wanted. It was right up here, that high, which I may have took that out already. Let's see what this is. 57. 157, yeah, 157, and 157.02, that can't be right. 157.08. That's got to be wrong right there. Am I reading that right? 157.008 is the high. 57. Oh, so that's higher, and that's higher. So that was on the 4 hour. Euro yen is, yeah, that's, I would be cautious, because there could be a turn up on the euro yen to head up. Got to keep an eye on that. Then the euro odd has made a 1 hour buy signal. We kind of want it right down here to do the buy. That makes a low risk sell. And the 4 hour is still in sell mode, so those aren't agreements. If there is a buy on the 1 hour, there may only be just a short, maybe short lived. So you would have to really tighten your stops up on it if you were to get in, which would be better if you got down in here to take the buys, where that risk would be probably $8 bucks is all it would be. So it'd be better down in here and then turn up. But if you're wrong, then boy, you hadn't lost anything. That's definitely worth the risk, because if it's right, it's going about 100, 120 pips. So the risk of the reward is fantastic. And that's on the euro odds. Well, that's everything for today, guys. Hope everybody's been able to make money today. And please hit the like and subscribe button if you would. I'm not trying to get 100,000 subscribers and likes all the time, not like all these others do. Because if you look at them, they'll have 100,000 subscribers and there's only 500 people watching. So I wish people would unsubscribe to that if they're not happy with the content. To bring that down, it would show people that they need to get better content. But I just do it to just see if it's helping people, because that's all I want to be able to do anyway. Kind of paying it forward, I guess you'd say, for those that have helped me along the way. So if you would just hit the like and subscribe button, I'd appreciate that very much. If you got any questions, you're welcome to email me, or in the comments section there's in there where you can put some in there. If you got comments, I'm open to that too. So like I said, there will not be a video tomorrow because the stock market in the U.S. is closed. Even though the currency still be trading, there's no volume by the time the U.S. opens up, so there's no reason to have a video. Most everything, if it's going to do anything, it's going to be tonight in Asia session in Europe, because both of those will still be open. And so they'll have plenty of volume, but the U.S. won't, so I'm not going to do a video tomorrow, but I will have one on Wednesday. So we're planning on seeing you guys on Wednesday.